Hey guys, welcome back to channel how to ask questions to ChatGPT. Make sure you will have logged in. So I will be on this free version, and if I just ask anything of my question related to this world, so I will just type for tell me top 5 richest countries exist in the world 2025. So we will just go for search. So we will have to wait for the moment. So as you can see, it will says there these are the top 5 countries, like number 1 on Luxembourg, second Singapore, third Macau, sure, 4 Ireland, fifth Qatar. So as you can see, when you just ask a question and it will be just chat from this left, which is called history, and you will just have to ask more anything you want. Just type it XYZ and you will just have to enter, and it will be just give you a quick answer. Thank you so much for watching.